Who is most likely to have two boyfriends at one time?
Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Awkward Tea. I'm Aditi.
I'm Stuti.
And I'm Shruti.
So today we have crossed 50 subscribers. An achievement for us.
Yeah.
So we have decided to do a mocking. Directly mocking, na? Because no one does like a 50 subscriber.
Yeah.
Something. So we'll be doing different things like dancing, then
Karaoke.
yeah. Then we'll be also doing one challenge called
Who's most likely to.
So stay tuned till the end if you want to
Get to know us.
get to know
Get
us
to us
and have fun with us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get started!
Think I'll stay in tonight. Skip the conversations and the on fines. No hurt, no stranger to surprise. This paper town has let me down too many times. Why do I even try? Give me a reason why. I thought that I could trust you, never mind. I was switching sides, we were drawing a line. But yes, I'm due, I need to read the signs. I'm just looking for some new friends. I never do sit down. Let me tell you somebody.
Who is most likely to watch romantic movies?
All three of us.
I think
All three of us.
If given a choice, then I'll choose thriller. I'll prefer thriller movies over romantic.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
romantic.
Who is most likely to be in a choir?
No one.
No one.
My mom.
Who is most likely to go to Justin Bieber's concert?
I don't know why. Why are people obsessed with JB?
Justin Bieber, but not now actually. I
No,
think
इसने ना अपने कबर्ड में ना जस्टिन बीबर का
Because,
एक फोटो चिपका है सो
एक बहुत सारा ना.
बहुत सारा.
oh my god.
Like ये बचपन थोड़ा था मेरा.
Who is most likely to be the best at math?
No doubt मैं फेल होती थी.
A² + B² करें
I mostly मैंने arts choose किया because उसमें maths था because
I used to like maths, but then I chose arts.
I am
so-
very bad. I'm very bad at maths. You
I
are
like
very good.
maths.
She still has opted
Yeah.
for maths. Okay. Next.
Who is most likely to give all their money to charity?
Maybe in the future when we are very
Yeah,
like
but
successful and have
Half the money.
money.
No,
Yeah. Not full, but maybe
75% or 50%. It
Perfect.
depends.
It depends
upon-
actually
It depends,
because
yeah.
we are not earning and हम लोग के लिए like
10,000
1000 रुपए.
Who is most likely to be a drama queen?
I think.
Stuti too. Yeah.
Yeah.
मुझे
Actually,
लगा था
yeah.
सब गुड़िया बोलेंगे
नहीं, actually Gudiya is like
Yeah.
she'll back out if she's
Yeah.
like she's not
And
interested.
we'll
she'll be like,
fight.
We'll fight. We'll argue. नहीं ऐसा क्यों ऐसा क्यों.
We'll
So,
debate, argue.
We'll debate. But
Pooja, what is this behavior?
Shruti will be like जा यार.
ओए,
ठीक है चल जीत जा यार.
चल जा बाहर में जा तेरे से कौन
बाहर जा
आर्ग्यू
बोल.
करेगा यार.
Who is most likely to marry a celebrity?
If given a chance.
If-
Yeah, all of us.
All of us. Yeah.
Why not? I mean Harry Styles.
I have a long list for you.
Long list. Yeah, she has Zayn Malik,
Yeah.
Rohit Saraf, and cannot remember.
I see the type of person you are.
Who is most likely to have most piercing?
No, I don't have more
No, because
Most
she wants a
likely, yeah.
nose piercing.
Yeah,
You
I
want
would
a
like
nose
to
pierce
have
too.
a nose piercing, but yeah, I would also like to have my ears pierced, but let's see.
Yeah, so you.
Yeah, okay.
Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
Stuti
Me.
and maybe
Given the fact you two are.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like if
With
we
me.
three are together,
we three
then
are together, then
Actually,
yeah.
all six of us.
Yeah, all
Our-
six.
our-
Yeah.
our
we'll do.
cousins, Yeah.
We can एक हमारा बहुत prime example है. Is this sweet shop near
Near
our
our-
near locality and near
We embarrass each other.
a lot
lot.
over there.
Most likely to have weird phobias.
If you have not watched
Yeah.
the previous
Please
video,
watch the
please do.
previous
What
watch.
are you doing?
And
You have which phobia?
Trypophobia.
Trypophobia.
And she's also very
नहीं
allergic
नहीं
to.
मत यार.
उसको वापस दिखा फोटो दिखा
And she's also very allergic to certain things like नहाने भी जाती तो भी
हाँ,
आँख लाल हो जाता
after
है।
she's taken a bath, उसका आँख पूरा लाल होता है. She's हम लोग से तू रोई है क्या? In case like नहीं मैं
And
नहाती
she's
हूँ.
like सबके साथ होता है and we're like, हमारे साथ नहीं होता है ये
होता है।
सब.
Who is most likely to get married first?
I think Aditi.
I don't want to get married first, but
If you
because
see-
I'm older to both of them. So
if like 3 months older to me.
yeah, तो older ना.
but still महीने में
अम्मा तो बोलेगी पहले तेरा ही शादी होगा करके.
Who is the most pakao?
Who is most likely to get in a fight?
I guess you not her for sure.
Yeah, we both actually.
We both actually like
because we fight with
and
each other a
also
lot.
I won't let go any auntie if she
Yeah.
inside train if you like क्या बे
वही ना.
तो मैं साथ झगड़ा करेगी but she will be like छोड़ यार क्या है इधर आंटी को काम धंधा नहीं है.
Who is most likely to fall asleep in class?
I mean I will try but I don't think I can.
No, I think मैं.
So
I
yeah.
think I've slept during my school days, but not in college. So yeah.
I know she because वो अभी भी सोती है.
During online lectures.
Who is most likely to cry because of a sad movie?
I guess
No, I won't cry. I won't.
I
cry.
5 feet apart.
नहीं मैंने रोई थी.
नहीं रोई थी.
दिल
तूने बोला
बेचारा।
था.
मैं दिल बेचारा में रोई थी.
मैं रोती हूँ अगर बट ऐसा लाइक सामने कोई रहता है तो मैं नहीं रोती.
हाँ,
मैं
हाँ,
कंट्रोल
if
करती हूँ बट देन
I'm all alone
हाँ,
then yeah.
and then-
all
yeah,
alone
yeah.
I'll cry.
But like मेरे को साथ ज्यादा ऐसा रोने को नहीं आता है.
मेरे को सिर्फ ऐसा
मुझे आता है.
रोमांटिक मूवीज विद सैड
अगर
एंडिंग्स
कुछ सैड एंडिंग या ऐसा इमोशनल एंडिंग
That's
रहता है तो
it.
I'll cry.
मुझे नहीं आता.
Who is most likely to be first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
Not me
Not me.
because
Yeah.
I'll fight zombies.
Yeah.
I love
Because she's
Watching
seen
zombie
all like zombie series
movies
and stuff.
and web series.
Web
The Walking
series.
Dead.
The Walking Dead.
I think me. मेरी फट जाएगी.
Who is most likely to do bungee jump?
I've done it.
Yeah, even I.
Both of them actually.
Yeah,
because
she's
I
a-
am. I am
she's
scared.
a-
I'm terrified of like roller coasters.
Roller
also.
coasters, yeah.
Like I won't.
And I remember when we were kids, we both actually.
Yeah, you two went for bungee jumping.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
some
And
mall.
you were not.
And I was like नहीं
Apart
भाई
of-
मेरे से नहीं होगा मेरे से नहीं होगा.
Who is most likely to be a stand-up comedian?
For sure.
Yeah.
No explanation.
Yeah.
I'm funny.
Most likely to join military?
I guess because I was interested.
I'm colorblind, so I might.
हाँ देखा इसको है सब दुनिया भर का प्रॉब्लम.
Most likely to be a world traveler?
I want to.
I want to, yeah.
Even I want to, but I think you are more dedicated towards it.
Yeah.
Because you will fight and go. You will be like, नहीं मम्मी ने बोली छोड़ बाहर. But like,
I
No,
guess.
but in the future, if she is like.
like even if like everyone wants to be a
Yeah.
traveler, but I think you are most likely
Yeah.
to if
Yeah.
we like see.
Who is most likely to be a supermodel?
Is that even a question?
I hope I do become a supermodel.
Miss Teen India.
Who is most likely to write a bestseller?
I'm interested to write
Yeah,
books.
because she reads a lot.
And even she has like scripted down her dreams.
Yeah.
Very unnatural, artificial,
Yeah.
बहुत detailed dreams.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Detailed.
Who is most likely to take care of others when they are sick?
Me.
She's very.
I'm very
attached
empathetic,
to-
and if I'm attached to someone, I will do their work.
Yeah.
But even if they both are, they won't.
Like,
Like,
we are sort of irresponsible
Yeah.
girls, and she is the most responsible.
We are sort of lazy.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to laugh at wrong moment?
Not me. I guess.
I think I can control, but Aditi cannot.
Yeah.
control. She'll be like, उसका हाइट भी इतना छोटा है, तो उसको ऐसे थोड़ा झुकना पड़ता है ऐसे करके.
And like जब भी कंट्रोल करना रहता है तभी हंसने आता है like.
हाँ ऐसा बोलते तभी कंट्रोल
हाँ,
कर तभी
तभी.
हंसना आता है.
Who is most likely to spend all their money on stupid things?
I don't think so. I will because मैं दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी कंजूस हूँ और मैं ऐसा.
No, actually, like I want to buy things, but I won't because like यार भाई मैं पैसा क्यों खर्च करूँ? But I think अगर मैं पैसा बचा रही हूँ ना उसके लिए भी, तो भी मैं जब तक बच जाएगा ना, I will like छोड़ना.
मेरे को जो चीज चाहिए रहता है उसके लिए मैं बचाती हूँ. फिर वो चीज मैं ऐसा
I
किसी
don't think
फालतू
any
चीज
of
के लिए-
us like
Yeah,
are like
yeah.
spender or stupid.
Yeah,
things.
जो चाहिए रहता है
Spendthrift.
उसके लिए.
Yeah, spend. Nice word.
Who is most likely to forget important birthdays?
Not me.
Not me actually.
मी मैं भूल जाती हूँ. एक बार बर्थडे भूल गई. पूजा का बर्थडे भूल गई.
या मुझे जिसका बर्थडे नहीं याद रखना उसका भी मेरे को याद रहता है.
मेरे को पता के बर्थडे के दिन क्या हुआ था. इसका भी बर्थडे था उसी दिन और मैं उसके सामने बोल रही थी आज गुड़िया का बर्थडे है, मुझे जाना है उसके घर पे. और वो ऐसे मुंह ऐसे, उसने बोला नहीं है मेरे को कि उसका बर्थडे. और वो ऐसे मुंह ऐसे, फिर बाद में मेरे को किसी ने बोला आज उसका भी बर्थडे है. बस. No, not fair.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
Okay, so it's the last question.
Okay.
Who is most likely to cancel plans at the last second?
I think all three of us.
Yeah, like if I'm not interested, I will like. तुम लोग के
Not
साथ
like
मैं-
not interested. मैं
No, I guess
घर
I
पे
will
बैठी
go.
रहूंगी और I'll be very lazy to do.
No,
that,
I
so
won't go. I won't like. I will ignore calls and stuff. I think मेरे को सब chance नहीं मिले because I don't have any friends.
So I'll ask you one more question.
Okay.
Who's most likely to bring home a stray puppy?
I won't. You have actually.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like your
stray
dad.
cat. Yeah.
Stray cat. That's a good thing.
But तू
Yeah.
बोल रही थी ना कि अगर तेरे को चाहिए तो तू स्ट्री पपी लाएगी.
But like.
Future में.
हाँ तो who's most likely to?
But मेरा है ना already.
But I know.
Likely to means future.
फ्यूचर का ही बात कर रहे हैं ना.
But I
तो
know my
इसलिए मैंने
mom
मेरा बोला
won't.
नहीं था.
मतलब तेरे खुद के घर पे.
घर पे.
हाँ, so I.
हाँ तो
तो वही ना.
I
मेरे को
guess
लगा था
all
कि
three
स्तुति
of
क्योंकि
us.
वो सब नीचे जाके स्ट्रे
हाँ
वो
वो
सब करते तो मेरे को
उसने
लगा
बोला
कि
भी था.
दे
वो ऐसे
पानी
अडॉप्ट नहीं करेगी मतलब ऐसा पैसे देके वो लेगी.
Adopt, don't shop.
Adopt, don't shop. Adopt, don't shop.
अच्छा,
Adopt,
मतलब कुछ
don't
तो
shop.
काटा कुछ तो.
इंजेक्शन मारा है.
Kylie Jenner.
Who is most like
उसने कंट्रोल करने का कोशिश किया तो
हाँ वही है तो वो ऐसा मुंह पे मारेगा.